Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to the Science Nest YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to give you the answers for some structural essay questions of diffusion lesson. First question. A part. Concentrated ammonia solution gives off ammonia gas. Concentrated hydrochloric acid gives off hydrogen chloride gas. Ammonia NH3 and hydrogen chloride HCl are both colorless gases. Ammonia reacts with hydrogen chloride to make the white solid ammonium chloride. Apparatus is set up as shown. After a few minutes, a white solid forms in the tube where the gases meet. Write the chemical equation for the reaction of ammonia with hydrogen chloride.
I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven.
Name the process by which the ammonia and hydrogen chloride gases move in the tube. The name of the process is diffusion. The gases are diffusing. Next question. At which point A, B, C or D does the white solid form? Explain why the white solid forms at that point. Answer point C. Explanation. Ammonia molecules are lighter than hydrogen chloride molecules. Therefore, ammonia diffuses faster than hydrogen chloride. To find out which one is the more lighter compound, you have to find the molecular mass of each compound. Then you can find which one is lighter and which one has the highest mass. Fourth question. The experiment was repeated at a higher temperature. Predict how the results of the experiment would be different. Explain your answer. The white solid would form faster. Explanation. At a higher temperature, the gas molecules have more kinetic energy. They move faster. Therefore, they diffuse faster.
sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and
B
I
part.
can't see
The diagram
my
shows the electron arrangement in a molecule of ammonia, showing only outer shell electrons.
keeps bringing me down. I can't
State the type of bonding in ammonia. There are covalent bonds because electrons have shared in between the atoms.
say goodbye.
Problem number 2. Hydrazine N2HO is another compound of nitrogen and hydrogen. Complete the diagram to show the electron arrangement in a molecule of hydrazine, showing only outer shell electrons. This is how the electrons have arranged in this small compound. Here I am showing all the electrons of nitrogen in red color. You can see nitrogen has 5 outer energy electrons, outer shell electrons, and they have contributed for the bond. 3 electrons have contributed for the bonds, and other 2 are there as lone pair electrons. Now we will show the electrons of hydrogen.
I get lost inside my thoughts and
Represented by crosses to identify easily.
the hold close, it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but
Hydrogen has only 1 electron always.
deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling.
Okay, let's move to the next question.
Can we stop this gravity?
Second question, A part. Different gases diffuse at different speeds. What is meant by the term diffusion? Diffusion is the net movement of particles from Earth region higher concentration to lower concentration. This is the answer for the problem number 1. Problem number 2. What property of a gas molecule affects the speed at which it diffuses? Answer is relative molecular mass. B part. Helium is a gas used to fill balloons. It is present in the air in very small quantities. Diffusion can be used to separate it from the air. Air at 1000 Celsius is on one side of the porous barrier. The air which passes through the barrier has a large amount of helium in it. Why does the air on the other side of the barrier contain more helium? Answer for the problem number 1. Helium atoms are lighter than the other gas molecules. in the air. Therefore, helium diffuses faster through the barrier.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh,
Why is it an advantage to have the air at a high temperature?
on the brink.
Higher temperature means
But all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped
the air particles have more kinetic energy.
and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't
This increases the rate of diffusion.
die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
Third question. Kinetic theory explains the properties of matter in terms of the arrangement and movement of particles. Nitrogen is a gas at room temperature. Nitrogen molecules N2 are spread far apart and move in a random manner at high speed. Draw the electronic structure of nitrogen molecule. Show only the outer electron shells. This is the electronic structure of nitrogen molecule. Always in outer energy level of nitrogen, it should have 5 electrons. Then you can see there are 2 electrons as lone pair electrons and other 3 electrons are there making 3 bonds with the next other nitrogen atom.
And I can't see the ground.
Compare the movement and arrangement of the molecules in solid nitrogen to those in nitrogen gas. In solid nitrogen, molecules are in a fixed position. Closely packed. Around a fixed point by the fixed point. In nitrogen gas, molecules move randomly. Molecules are far apart. Molecules move at high speed. B. A sealed container contains nitrogen gas. The pressure of the gas is due to the molecules of the gas hitting the walls of the container. Use the kinetic theory to explain why the pressure inside the container increases when the temperature is increased.
I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed.
When temperature
Fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this
increases,
It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die.
thus the nitrogen molecules
Say goodbye.
gain energy. They collide with the walls and with greater force.
awake, just begging to let go. I almost got to
This increases
suicidal
the
thoughts,
pressure.
but you
It
stepped
increases
in.
the pressure.
Angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down.
See part. The following apparatus can be used to measure the rate of diffusion of a gas. The following results were obtained. Nitrogen, chlorine, or nitrogen. Temperature has given and rate of diffusion in cubic centimeters per minute. Explain why nitrogen gas diffuses faster than chlorine gas. Answer. Nitrogen has a lower relative molecular mass. Than chlorine. Explain why the nitrogen gas diffuses faster at the higher temperature. Higher temperature means
I get lost inside
nitrogen
my thoughts, and
molecules
when I start to think, oh, the
have more
dark
kinetic
starts to
energy.
end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars they cut so deep, I bleed.
Therefore, they diffuse faster.
Fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling.
This is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and subscribe the channel to watch more videos like this.